we are looking at how to say the word sex, but in French, how do the French pronounce it? How is it spelled? To start with, this is how it is spelled, so rather similar. So you might expect it to be pronounced rather similarly as well. In France, it is said as sexe, sexe, so there is an sound, an additional sound at the end of it, because there's an additional e at the end of it. Sexe is how to say sex in French. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words, including from French, whose pronunciations aren't obvious, and how to say sex in other languages. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.